Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. For today's video, I've decided to start a journaling series that will showcase all the things that I use whenever I journal. Now, I've been journaling for a really long time. I've been journaling since 2011. So I've already tried a number of journaling styles as well as journaling materials. So the first thing that you need, of course, would be a journal. Your journal can come in different forms. It can be hardbound, softbound, ringbound, it can be a moleskin, it can be a sketchbook, it can even be a simple composition book. It all depends on what you prefer and what you like in your journal. Apart from the regular store-bought journals, you can also opt to use other materials for your journals. You can DIY the covers of old notebooks, you can use old books, or you can also repurpose other old materials that you have at home, like cereal boxes, shoe boxes, and other materials that you can use to make your own journal. What's a journal without the right writing tool? We all have our different preferences when it comes to writing materials. So for me, I prefer to use a black gel pen. It helps with the way I write, and also it's a better option for me, especially since I practice writing in Korean. Whenever I also feel artsy and I want to do some hand letterings, I reach out to my highlighters, to my brush pens, and other Sharpie markers that I have to make sure that I can decorate my journal well. Speaking of decorating, a journal wouldn't be complete. For me at least, it wouldn't be complete if we don't have any other decorations like stickers, washi tapes, and other ephemera. For me, journaling has to have that colorful vibe regardless of what theme you're trying to follow or you're trying to make. Apart from using washi tape and stickers, you can also use post-it notes, especially nowadays since post-it notes are coming in different colors, different designs, different sizes. So you can really use them for your journaling as well. Other paper materials that you can use would be postcards. I love to ask for postcards from my friends whenever they travel because they're very easy to get and they're not that heavy to bring home. Since I consider journaling as a way of memory keeping, I tend to accumulate a number of ephemera whenever I travel or whenever I go to new places. These ephemeras come in different forms. They can be photos, tickets, brochures, leaflets, a lot of other things that you can simply add to your journal to remind you of the things that you've experienced whenever you travel. I love watercolor, and despite me not being able to do watercolor on the go, I do keep these sets with me at home so that whenever I want to add a bit of pizzazz in my journals, I can just reach out for these palette type of watercolors and paint on whichever journals I use. Usually I use these whenever I have a sketchbook or a watercolor pad as a journal. So generally, these are the materials that I use for journaling. Again, don't limit yourselves to what you have. You can always try and be adventurous. That all depends on you. Journaling doesn't follow a strict set of rules, so make sure to just have fun with it and just continue writing.